Manipur joins the celebration of Teachers' Day, marking the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan during a state-level observance that was held at City Convention Centre in Imphal today. The observance was jointly organized by Department of Education S, Higher and Technology Education, State Council of Educational Research Training SCERT and Adult Education. Speaking on the occasion, Chief Secretary of Manipur, Punit Kumar Goel, spoke about the recent developments, including the extension of suspension of operation agreement, where steps to restore normalcy in the state. While lauding the teachers for their role in guiding youths and children, Chief Secretary Dr. Punit Kumar Goel bestowed his trust to teachers to ensure peace and progress in the state. Meanwhile, Koijam Machasana of Ghari Upper Primary School was presented with National Teachers Award, while 8 teachers of High School and Upper Primary School were presented State Teachers Award 2025. Standard College, Waikomani Girls College and Manipur College received Best Performing College of Manipur State Award for Educational Excellence 2025-26.
He believed that the education was the path to nation building, and teachers are the torch bearers in that journey. Teachers are not only transmitters of knowledge, but also mentors of character, compassion, and courage. They instill values and prepare young minds to face future challenges with confidence. In regions with limited economic and educational opportunities, the role of teachers is even more crucial. Your creativity, guidance, and ability to inspire students towards diverse careers while nurturing their motivation and resilience make a lasting impact.
Meanwhile, speaking to media after the program, Chief Secretary Dr. Punit Kumar Goel gave assurance to ensure that new ground rules for the SU agreement are strictly followed by UPF and KNO. He reiterated that whatever efforts that the government is making are for the sake of peace in the state.
All government's effort is to bring normalcy in the state. The agreement has already been signed, so it will get implemented.